Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete end-to-end encryption code on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the chat section at the bottom middle of the screen, and here you can just simply tap and hold on the chat that you want to remove the secret code or end-to-end encryption. I can tap on this, and now you can tap on delete, and after this you can just simply tap on delete for me and another person, and this will remove the secret code and end-to-end encryption keys from your device. And it is a way you can remove end-to-end encryption code on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist you in the next one. Thanks for watching.